Welcome back to SolidWorks tutorial. Today we are going to design a simple PVC pipe design in SolidWorks. So it is basic tutorial for the beginners. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. To create this T-shaped pipe design, so first of all see the drawing. So here we make the drawing for this piping. So we make the sketch front plane. So make the two circle. The first circle will be 200 diameter and the second circle will be 195 diameter and stood up to 500 mm from the mid side. And again we make the plane above the top plane 250 mm above, and here also make the 200 diameter circle and 195 diameter circle and make the extrude up to this surface. So look how we create this simple geometry in SolidWorks. So here go to the file and now select new, select part, then OK, and here we change the background to plain white. Simply select the front plane, right click, sketch, and select the circle and make the two circle from origin point. So second circle will be, and go to the smart dimension. First the outer circle will be 200 diameter and the inner circle will be 195 diameter, then OK. And now go to the feature, select extrude boss base and make the extrude from the mid plane. So it's better to choose mid plane and make the extrude 500 mm, then OK. And now we create the plane above the top plane. So we make the plane above top plane 250 mm distance. So here go to the reference geometry, select plane, and the first reference will be top plane. So select top plane and make the plane. Here we give the distance, so make the distance 250 mm above, then OK. And now we create this plane. So select this plane, right click, sketch, and make it normal. And here we select the circle, and from this point we make the two circle. So select and go to the smart dimension. The outer circle will be 200 and this inner will be 195 diameter, then OK. And here we make the extrude to this sketch. So go to the features, select extrude boss base and make the extrude reverse direction, and here we make the condition up to surface. And now select this surface, so it will be selected the portion here, then OK. Now we create this sketch on top plane. So here we hide this plane. So look, and again we make the from select this face, right click, sketch, and make it normal. Here we select the circle and from this origin point make the two circle. So see that here the first circle will be 205 diameter and the second will be 199.8. so make it and make the extrude to this sketch. So here go to the feature and select extrude boss base and extrude up to only 45 mm and make it reverse direction, so it comes reverse, and here we make the merge result, then OK. Now we create this sketch, and here we make the now welcome back to SolidWorks tutorial. Today we are going to design a simple T-shape PVC pipe design in SolidWorks. So it is basic tutorial for the beginners. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. To create this PVC pipe, here we see the drawings for this, and here we make the two circle. The outer circle will be 200 diameter and the inner circle will be 195 diameter, and it's just extrude 500 mm, and here we make the plane above the top plane 250 mm, and again make the sketch 200 diameter and 195 diameter, and it's just extrude up to this surface. So here we create this all the sketch in SolidWorks. So look how we create this simple PVC T-shape pipe design in SolidWorks. So here go to the file, now select new, select part, then OK, and here we change the background to plain white. So select the front plane, right click sketch, here select two circle from this center origin point. So here second circle. Now go to the smart dimension and make it 200 mm, and the second circle will be 195 diameter, and go to the feature, select extrude boss base and extrude from the mid plane and make the extrude 500 mm. So it's extrude from the mid portion of this sketch, then OK. Now here we create the one plane above the top plane. So go to the reference geometry and now select plane, and the first reference will be top plane. So select top plane and make the distance. So distance will be 250 mm above, then OK. Now here select this sketch, right click sketch and make it normal. Now select the circle, and here we make the two circle. So select, now go to the smart dimension. The first circle will be 100 200 diameter, and the inner circle will be 195 diameter, then OK, and make the extrude. So go to the features, select extrude boss base, make it reverse direction, and here we make the condition up to surface. We select up to surface, and now select this outer surface of this pipe. So select, and again we select this face right click, sketch, normal, and here we select the circle, select this point and make the circle. So go to the smart dimension, make the diameter 205, and again select the circle, and from this point make the circle up to this one. Now go to the features, select extrude boss base and make the extrude 45 mm reverse direction and make it merge. And again select this face, right click, sketch, and make it normal. And here we select the circle, and from this point we make the second circle here. Now go to the smart dimension and make it 199.8 diameter, and make the extrude cut. So go to the features, select extrude cut and make the extrude cut 45 inside, then OK. Now here we make the mirror to this. So go to the mirror and here we select the front plane, and here we select, so remove it. Select this one and this, cut, extrude, then OK. And here we make the fillet 10 mm. So go to the fillet and make the fillet 10 mm this edge. OK. Now again select the fillet and make the fillet 10 mm here, then OK. And make the inside fillet, so make it 1 mm inside. So select this one and this, again select and make the fillet 1 mm. So select this edge and this edge, then OK. And here we make the fillet also. So go to the fillet and here we make the fillet of 3 mm, and now select this edge, so select this one, then OK. And if you want to apply the material for this piping, so here go to the appearance and here we select the plastic and we select EDM plastic and select and simply select and drag to this part. So here we change the color. So make it this color, is looking far better. And here we also create the sketch on this. So first of all we make the extrude cut this face. So here we select this face, right click, sketch, and go to the convert entity, and now select the inside edge, then OK, and go to the features, select extrude cut, and make the extrude cut up to surface, and just select this surface, this inside surface. So it will be selected, this portion. Now we just extrude cut this face. So if you want to see the section view, so here go to the section view. Now look how we extrude cut this, and now here select right plane. So look how we cut this portion here. And again we make the sketch on this top face. So select this face, right click, sketch, and make it normal. And here we select the circle, and from this origin point go to the smart dimension. Its length will be 205, diameter, and again select the circle, and from this origin point we make the circle up to, make sure it is tangent to this edge. Now here go to the feature, select extrude boss base, and extrude up to 45 mm, and make the condition reverse direction, then OK. And here we also make the fillet of 10 mm. So go to the fillet and make the fillet 10 mm, and select this edge, then OK. Now here again select this face, right click, sketch, and make it normal. Now again select the circle, and make the circle from this origin point, and make up to here. Now go to the smart dimension and make it 199.8, and make the extrude cut. So go to the feature, select extrude cut, and make the extrude cut 45 mm, then OK. Now here we make the also fillet of 1 mm. So go to the fillet and make the fillet 1 mm. Both corners, then OK. So now we create this simple PVC pipe design in SolidWorks, and I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.